Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. In this video we will discuss how we can resolve this error and when we are getting this error. So like I'm trying to create a PO. I'm trying to create a PO and I'm trying to take condition types in pricing procedure. I'm trying to take a condition types. But while I'm taking condition type like freight, condition type FRA1, once I'm trying to take 10%, I'm getting this error. Like provision account key missing for condition type FRA1 and schema test. So if I just open that, so a provision account key missing for condition type FRA1 in schema test. So this is the error, and diagnosis for that is condition type FRA1 is marked as a provision relevant. However, the account key for posting provision is missing in schema test for this condition type. It is not possible to make a posting to the provision account without an accounting key, right? And procedure is maintain the provision account key for condition type in customizing for purchasing. So how we can resolve this issue? So simply you need to do one thing, just open a new tab and go to SPRO, and in SPRO go to IMG implementation guide, and here in implementation guide go to material management node, go to purchasing, and here just go to conditions. So once you click on condition, and from here go to define price determination process, and here just go to define calculation schema. So just go to define calculation schema, and it's like mandatory to read the error properly. So the error is like provision account key missing for condition type FRA1 in schema test. So this is my schema, right, pricing procedure, and this is my condition type. So if in your case if it's different, you need to resolve like that. Procedure going to be same, but you need to resolve like that. Okay, so in my case condition type is FRA1 and schema is test, right? So I will go to test, hit enter, just select this and double click on control data, and if you see here condition type is FRA1, so I will directly go to condition type FRA1. So here it is, and it's saying like account key is missing. So I have to assign here, I have to give account keys and accruals here, right? So I will give account key as freight purchase account and accrual as FR1 freight clearing, and hit enter and save. Yes, right. I have mentioned each and every steps in notes also. And how can you access notes? Like you can see, you can also go through T code directly like M/08, or you can access through the path as I have mentioned. Go to SPRO, go to IMG, then go to material management, then go to conditions, like that also you can go, and you can also access this transaction directly through T code, right? After that, what you need to do, you just need to go to position and give your pricing procedure or schema, and then you need to double click on control tab, then give accrual keys and then hit enter and save. So what you need to do, you need to give this accrual key and account key, you can say, and accruals you need to give, right? So you need to give these both for which condition type? For FRA1. Why for FRA1? Because I am getting the error for FRA1 condition type, right? So this is how we are going to resolve. Let me include that in notes also. Yeah, and how you can access notes? Student used to ask, sir, how can we access your notes? So you can directly join Telegram group. There all notes are available free of cost. So you can go and join Telegram group. So what you need to do, just give this and this for this condition type, right? So let me include this also. After that, what you need to do? After that, we have to assign GL account to this account key FR1. So we have to do that also. So how you are going to do that? Because if you are going to do, if you are trying to create a PO, right now still you will get that same error because the error is not resolved yet. One more step we need to do, and that like just go in OBYC, hit enter, and just go in key FR1, transaction key FR1. So just give your chart of account here, hit enter, and here you need to give your GL account, but here it's already maintained. I need not to maintain that GL accounts, but in your case if it's not maintained, just maintain the GL account here. Okay, and from where you can see, so from here for that freight you can select GL account from here, right? So this is the GL account for freight, and just hit enter and save. So once it's saved, now if you will try to create PO, let me open again this, otherwise it will not work. So let me use /n me21n and hit enter. I have to come out first, then I have to create PO again. Check. Yes. So in conditions, if I will just give freight 10% and hit enter, you can see I'm not facing any error right now, right? So it's resolved. Just check. Now it's resolved. So like that you can resolve. Now I can successfully create a PO. You can see here PO is created, right? So like that you can resolve this error in 2 steps, right? And notes you can access through my Telegram group, and link is available in description box of all the videos, all YouTube videos, it's available. So you can directly join my Telegram group and you can download all notes free of cost. So if you feel this is valuable for you, or it help you, this video help you to resolve your error, so please like this video and share in your SAP circle, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, you can ask to me in comment section. So thank you guys, thanks a lot, may God bless you all.